Hey everyone, today we're going to install chin mounts on my new RF 1400 DBI. As you can see here, this is my old helmet with the chin mount installed. All the vlogs that you've seen with the helmet cam, the GoPro was mounted here. So now bought a new one for the 1400. Let's see how it's done. First thing I did is had mug full of hot water and I let this heat up. You can do that on the instructions. They say use a hair dryer, but this should do the same trick. I removed the chin guard and I have this little clamp so I don't have to hold it. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with one hand, but let's give it a shot. I'm gonna take this. It's nice and hot and malleable. The next stage is to use an alcohol wipe to really clean the area and remove the dirt and let it dry. Remove the red cover for the glue, and I'm going to find exactly the right spot. I can see that this line right here goes right from the middle of the vent, so I'm going to use both hands real quick. Here we go, nice and centered. And now I'm going to put the clamp on there and leave it alone for 24 hours. Clamp is on, no gaps, everything is nicely squished and centered. Let's see, the other one has been on it for years, never a single problem, so yeah, let's hope this is the same. Congratulations.